Press.
Welcome back, family. It is Makisha Stiles, aka Kish here, and once again, I am your host for today. So, what is going to be the topic for today? It is going to be 4 steps to learning how to trade in the Forex market. When you're first starting out, you're probably wondering, getting information from one place, from this place, from everywhere, and you're like, okay, but what are some simple steps I can start doing right now to start trading Forex? So, one of the steps you're going to do is you always want to be able to check your mindset. Okay, so examine your mindset, because a lot of times when people come in here, they're like, okay, I'm going to make $10,000 in my first trade. No, I want you to know from the start, it is not a gambling type of industry. You have to set goals and you have to have the proper mindset. That's why a lot of times when you take part in a lot of educational companies, they focus on your mindset first, because when it comes to the Forex market and you don't have the proper mindset, as soon as you place that trade and you lose, and you have the proper risk management, you're going to walk away from Forex saying it doesn't work, when actually it does. Okay, so make sure you examine your mindset first and set realistic goals. So when I talk about realistic goals, it leads us into step 2. And step 2 is identify a trading goal. What do I mean by that? The most simplistic way I can explain that is you should take all your bills. So all the bills that you pay every single month, tally those up and divide that by 20. Why 20? Because people normally, at the minimum or most, trade at least 20 trading days per month. So take your entire bills, divide that by 20. Whatever that amount is, that is your first realistic goal that you should be aiming for from the market. Okay? And that leads us into step 3, because we're talking about finances, right? Ensure you have enough money. Now, what does this mean? This means that when you come into the market, don't come in here with your last, okay? Because I want you to have realistic expectations, and just know that the smaller you open up your account with, it's going to take a little longer to build up to certain goals, but you're compounding, because now we're thinking like, the wealthy, and they think about compounding. So you want to ensure you have enough money. So if you don't have enough money to enter into the market, it's okay, because why? You're going to start off anyway with step 4. And step 4 is you're going to start testing strategies and demo. So with step 3, right, you made sure that, okay, I need to have enough money. You don't have enough money, it's okay. It doesn't mean you shouldn't trade Forex. For one, you're supposed to be starting off in a demo account, because you're going to start to learn different strategies, and you're like, okay, I like this one, I like that one, no, I like that one, and you're going to start to learn different things. But you don't want to put that inside your live account. We know for a fact you don't have the money yet to actually trade live. So you want to continue to test your strategies in demo account and practice until you're able to get a consistent amount of say profitable trades consistently, not just one every blue moon, but consistently amount of trades every single day or every single week, whatever the amount of days you trade. Once you do that and practice in a demo, then you can start go ahead and open up your live account. But until you come from step 3 and make sure you have enough money, just build it up. Just put the money to the side every month. Then you're able to come in once you master your demo account. Now you can go ahead and start placing trades. Okay. So what is that app? Because a lot of people got this beginner's class. MetaTrader 4. Okay, MetaTrader 4 is the app you should be utilizing when it comes to trading demo. And then once you're ready, trade your live account. All right. So the last thing, step 5. This is like the most important. So remember, step 3 was like making sure you have enough money, but now you want to build it up, because you might not have enough at first. So what I recommend is a lot of learning and earning programs. Okay, what I'm going to recommend, you're going to see it's probably going to pop up on the right hand side, is xtreamfxglobal Academy, because you want to find an educational platform that allows you to learn, because you want to learn this skill set and earn. The and earn part is them providing you with copy and paste trades, because with the copy and paste trades, now you can put those into your live account and then go ahead and build up your account while you're learning. And then once you learn the skill set, you don't have to worry about copying and pasting. But in the beginning, because you're new, you want to go ahead and find your learn and earn program. One I recommend is xtreamfxglobal Academy. It's at the top right hand corner. So make sure you check out your programs, okay? So the first thing you want to do is make sure you examine your mindset, okay? You want to make sure you have a proper trading goal. How did I say you can get that? Tell up all your bills, divide it by 20, and you'll get an amount you can make per day. And then you want to make sure you have enough money. If you don't, you want to go ahead and start building up every single month, okay? And then you want to start testing out your strategies in your demo account, utilizing a free app called MetaTrader 4. And from there, you transition over to now researching, learn, and earn programs such as xtreamfx Global Academy. Now, I hope you have found this video very valuable. And if you have any questions, you can always feel free to contact me. My information is always in the description of the video. And once again, it's been Makisha Stiles, aka Kish, and I have been your host for today. And I will see you all on the next video.